One of the reasons most people struggle with weight loss is because they're constantly battling their hormones and hunger cravings. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. All their best intentions go out the window late in the night when hunger or the uncontrollable food cravings come creeping in and they find themselves furtively skulking near the refrigerator and seeking solace in its dull orange glow as they binge eat in quiet shame. It sounds dramatic, but millions of people go through this scenario daily and it takes an emotional toll on them. They believe that they're weak-willed when in reality they're a slave to their hormones. We all are. That's exactly why Leptox, which just burst onto the scene lately, has become a bestseller online. Leptox's claim of being able to manage leptin resistance is a fantastic solution to a huge problem, curbing your hunger and food cravings. When you eat less, it's inevitable that you lose weight. The question is, does Leptox work? Let's examine this product and see if it lives up to the hype. The good points. 1. Leptox's strongest benefit is that it actually works. It's an online bestseller with thousands of bottles sold. Nobody would keep buying it if it didn't work. The beauty of Leptox is that it regulates leptin and helps you manage your hunger effectively. It doesn't claim to burn the fat off miraculously like so many questionable weight loss pills do. Leptox helps you to lose weight by preventing you from overeating. When you stop eating unnecessarily, it's inevitable that you'll lose weight. These pills address the root cause of the problem. That's why they're so potent. 2. The product has free shipping. It's also very affordable. Each bottle lasts a month and has 60 pills, 2 a day. That amounts to about $1.60 a day. If you choose the 3-bottle pack, that's $1.30 a day. Ideally, you should go with the 3-bottle pack and in 90 days you'd have lost a considerable amount of weight. From then on, you'll be used to eating in moderation and can stop consuming Leptox. 3. Leptox is an all-natural product that's safe to use. Some of the key ingredients are dandelion leaves, grapeseed, alfalfa, jujube, brassicas, milk thistle, chancapedra, barberry, and so on. These are herbs and other natural plant products that are non-toxic. 4. Leptox has a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, if you're not satisfied with the product, you can always ask for a refund. Fantastic. 5. Besides just regulating hunger, Leptox has other benefits such as boosting your metabolism, increasing your energy levels and strengthening your immune system. Of course, you should also strive to be on a clean diet and exercise too. When you have these foundations in place, Leptox will serve to accelerate your weight loss and give you better results from your efforts. 6. Leptox is clinically tested and FDA registered. It's also GMP certified. This supplement is not some dodgy concoction cooked up in someone's garage. It's a legitimate product. 7. The sheer number of positive reviews lends credence to the product. The bad points. 1. No product is perfect for everybody. While Leptox has helped thousands, it may not have much of an effect on you. There's always a small minority that will not benefit from using it. It's best to speak to your doctor before consuming Leptox. 2. You may become dependent on this product. Your goal should be to change your eating habits and make better food choices while your appetite and hormones are being controlled by Leptox. After 2 or 3 months, you should be able to stop taking it and still maintain your weight. Don't use Leptox as a crutch to support unhealthy food choices and a sedentary lifestyle. 3. Leptox will only work for people who don't eat when they're not hungry. While the product will suppress your appetite, we live in a world where people use food as therapy rather than fuel. Leptox will curb your hunger, but if you carry on eating out of boredom or you stuff yourself for no reason, you'll be at a caloric surplus and won't lose weight. You may even gain weight. So, ask yourself if you're really hungry before you consume anything. Should you get it? This is definitely a product worth trying. The company has sold thousands of bottles with many satisfied customers. Weight loss is extremely difficult for so many people because they're constantly battling their hormones and body. It's either leptin, insulin, cortisol or ghrelin. With Leptox, you'll be able to regulate your hunger and cravings. You'll be less susceptible to overeating or binge eating in the middle of the night. This will make your weight loss journey far easier. This supplement is very affordable and costs less than $2 a day. If you choose the bigger packages, it's even cheaper. Since it's covered by a money-back guarantee, you can always ask for a refund if you feel like it has no effect on you. There's no risk here. If you're struggling to shed the stubborn fat, Leptox will give you the edge and help you lose the weight faster than you ever thought possible. If you exercise regularly, your weight loss will be even faster with these potent pills. It's like a fat loss miracle in a bottle. Do give Leptox a try and you'll never look back. Get Leptox http://bit.ly/2tvkfu